I am legitimately shook. Welcome back to my channel, and I am going to review for you the Key to Curls Kinks, Coils, and Curls collection. Now, this collection consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 products, and it does not have a shampoo. How many lines y'all know don't have a shampoo? That is a cleansing. It has something cleansing, but it's not a shampoo. Or co-wash. This is a clay wash actually, and the clay wash from the Kinks, Coils, and Curls collection is, I've already used it on one side of my hand. I'm gonna give my full review. However, you guys can definitely tell that this has my 4B curls really defined, and this is the clay wash sitting on my hair. I had to come back because I had a sound problem. So you guys are gonna see in the rest of the video, and I'm definitely gonna review it for you. I was legit shook. Sis. Shook. You guys need to stay tuned. However, there is a clay wash in the line, a deep conditioner, a leave-in, and a butter cream, like a butter, and it's called Butter Me Up. So I'm going to use the entire line today, and I'm going to give my first impressions. I've used the clay wash before. However, I used it in the first launch. She said this is updated, and honestly, I do feel like it is, because the slip is amazing on this clay wash, and it really defined my curls instantly. I mean, come on. Y'all know. Y'all know. Like, legit. Y'all know. Like, what? Like, what is this? What is this? Oh my gosh. What is this? Anyway, guys, stay tuned for the video. These products are also sulfate-free, okay? So if you had that query, sulfate-free and silicone-free. This reminded me of perm. When you put perm on your hair. Each product is handmade. I keep forgetting to take like a before picture every single time. Y'all know shook? Look. Oh my gosh. So let's go in and talk about the clay wash. And this says Kinks, Coils, and Curls Clay Wash. Our clay wash specializes in removing product buildup and impurities from the scalp and hair, conditioning your kinks, coils, and curls, leaving them super cleansed, hydrated, and moisturized. It is silicone-free, sulfate-free, and an 8-ounce jar. So it is a new brand, a small Black-owned company. Also, it is a product, actually it's a product of the Bahamas, distributed in Atlanta, Georgia. So guys, I would hope that you guys go ahead and click the link in the description box and check out our Instagram for the transformation videos, so that you guys can see exactly how most person's hair go from this to this. Once it's rinsed out, it's really soft, hydrated, detangled. The new formula is working really well on my hair. That is the clay wash. So now I'm gonna finish this little patch, and we're gonna move on to the deep conditioner once I rinse this out. The direction says part hair into 4 sections. I did that. Spray section with water. I did that, and apply onto damp hair gently. Finger detangle, working the mask into hair. Leave mask on for 30 minutes to an hour, rinse and cold wash. So I'm gonna finish this section right quick. Okay, so this is my hair. No product at all. at a good setting so that you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about when I talk about definition and cleanse. As you can see, my scalp is clean. And before my hair dries, I'm gonna add the deep conditioner. However, my scalp is clean. This definitely did its job. So now I'm gonna use this Honey I Am Tangled deep conditioner. My first impressions about the deep conditioner is it's thick. I don't know if you guys can, yes, you guys can see it. So it's thick. It's not super thick. And it seems as if all of the products have the same type of scent throughout. So now I'm going to definitely part my hair. See, because my hair is already defined and really clean, the product is going through my hair very easily. Get those ends, girl, get those ends. So my first impression with this line, I will honestly, this deep conditioner, sorry, it gives me good slip. Now the test with a deep conditioner though is how your hair feels once it's done its job, meaning it's sat on your hair for the time that they stated to leave it there, and that's how you know it's working. So I'm not gonna make an assumption just yet, because I find that sometimes we look for that immediate slip all the time, but yet sometimes once the product has already done its job, your hair is soft, moisturized, and all of the above. So sometimes we have to be careful, even with first impressions, because yes, instantly we look for a product to give us good slip, but is that product just slipping on the outer strand and not on the inside? So we just want to make sure. But I will say it is slipping. But I'm gonna give you my true opinion at the end. And this product is looking in this jar. This is whipped to perfection. I mean, each product is whipped to perfection, and these are handmade. So that's great. That's great. Okay, you guys, so I've already applied the deep conditioner, and this deep conditioner says our deep conditioner is rich in plants, protein, oils that will detangle your tresses, leaving them feeling quenched, enriched, and moisturized. Upon first putting this on my hair, it has really good slip, and now I've seen many people use it, but I haven't seen many fussy textures use it. Now really kinky or coily textures use it, and honestly it's doing its job. It felt well putting on my hair. I'm gonna see what it feels like once I rinse it off. But once you start off with that clay wash and you add that deep conditioner, it's almost like a breeze. I feel like you'd have like the perfect wash and go once you've used this clay wash. Then the deep conditioner, you will have like the perfect wash and go, because your curls are already springy, they've already bounced back. What more you want? What more you want? We're gonna see how it works. Let me go eat and I'll be back again. Jeez, this is a long day. Okay guys, I am back. The deep conditioner is already rinsed out, and when I rinse my hair out, of course it shrunk up. So that is what that is. So now we're gonna go in with the Kinks Coils and Curls leave-in forget-me-not leave-in conditioner. Our leave-in is the perfect in-between step. Oh. Okay, our leave-in is the perfect in-between step to coat your lovely tresses before styling. It is rich in organic ingredients that will leave your hair feeling super moisturized and tangle-free. No parabens, no sulfates, no silicones. This is an 8-ounce bottle, and this one is very whipped, very light. As you can see, it's very, very light. Y'all know, soft hair. Wow. 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 So this deep conditioner, I was supposed to actually talk about this after I rinsed it out and let you know how my hair feels after. My hair is soft. One, my hair is soft. My hair is still detangled. Even, you see my hands? You see my hands just running straight through my hair? Don't mind, my hair's still shedding. My hands are still running through my hair and it's still soft. And you know when you can touch the strands of your hair and feel if it's really detangled. I know the ends of my hair need to clip, but my hair feels really good. I'm actually impressed. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the leave-in. I'm not gonna put too much because I'm gonna need to stretch her for a style for tomorrow. Wow, this feels good. So going in with that leave-in along with their kinks, coils, curls, hair butter. Butter me up. It's perfect for braid outs, twist outs, and protective styles. This butter is so light and lightly whipped. It's lighter than all of the jars. This is so much heavier than this. This is how light this butter is. Look, it smells really good too. So let's go back in and we're gonna add this butter to seal in the moisture. Look how nice and detangled my hair is. I'm very impressed. So going in with the leave-in, I'm just gonna take that much and I'm gonna take some of that butter and we're gonna seal that in. Okay guys, I am done. I am completed using both the Butter Me Up along with the leave-in. Now I use the leave-in first, then the Butter Me Up to seal in the moisture on my hair. I did that because I am not styling. I need to stretch my hair tomorrow. First, I'm gonna pin these back and put these in one so I could begin a good stretch for tomorrow. So my overall thoughts about the product. I'm not putting oil all in my hair. I'm just gonna add some castor oil to my edges. So I completed the LCO method. L, which is liquid, which is the water that was already in my hair. Then I went ahead and I used the cream, which would have been my leave-in. Then I went ahead and I used my oil, which I substituted for the butter. Pretty much that was my completed hair nightly wash day regimen. If you have kinkier textures, if you want to seal in your moisture and you definitely want to keep your hair moisturized most of the time, this is definitely what you need to do. You could do your twist any size that you like, but if you have a good butter, a good leave-in, some oil after you've already washed and deep conditioned your hair, you probably would save your length or retain your length much more longer than you expected. Like with me, I know if I would be more committed to doing this, my hair would probably be butt length. My overall thoughts of the product. The clay wash definitely did its job. I was most impressed with the clay wash. Then moving on to the Honey Tangle Deep Conditioner. That conditioner definitely deep conditioned my hair. It kept it detangled. I left it on. I rinsed it out with lukewarm water because I can't really use hot or cold water. I don't want to get sick. Then I used leave-in, which is forget-me-not leave-in conditioner. That is a very nice, light, whipped, and I feel like that would go really well with wash and goes because it's nice and light. I think compared and when you combine with a gel, it would really, really go well. Now the Butter Me Up hair butter is now this is something that, this is lighter than all of the jars. Oh, I'm missing hit my hand. Ow. This is lighter than all of the jars. This is so light. I can't believe this is 8 ounces. This feels, I'm telling you, it's really light. And I only used that much out of it. Amazing, right? This is and the ingredients are cocoa butter, mango butter, shea butter, avocado oil, castor oil, olive oil, and rice bran oil. And this is the reason why I didn't have to use oil, because of the ingredients inside. It's a butter, so you can substitute your O in the LCO or the LOC method with a butter. So yeah, my overall thoughts of the products, I would definitely give them a 9 out of 10. For my falsy hair, sometimes I use deep conditioners that really and truly, once I put that on my hair, it does absolutely nothing. I could still feel my strands feeling rough. I still can't detangle my hair without popping or hearing it tear. And honestly, this line did its job. Even after rinsing out the deep conditioner and I'm going ahead and I'm looking at these twists, my twists look good. They look really good. My hair looks nice. It feels good. And I am pretty impressed. So I'm gonna put this up so now I can have a pretty good stretch for tomorrow and begin styling my hair. And you can look out for that other video as well. But my hair is feeling really, really good and I'm very, very impressed. So I'm gonna give this line a 9 out of 10. This did its job. This was really impressive. It was shocking too, I ain't gonna lie, I can be real. It was more shocking and it shocked me. I didn't think it would have done that because I've only seen a lot of reviews on looser textures. And I'm very, very impressed and I'm happy that I got the opportunity to cop all of these products, and this is not sponsored, nor were these products sent to me. I purchased each product with my own money. So all opinions are definitely, even if it was a sponsored video, 100% my own. The only thing that I really do have an issue with is the clay wash because I feel like I need a little bit more than 8 ounces. So that's why I give this a 9 out of 10. But other than that, this is hitting, okay? If you're looking for something to coat your strands at the end of wash day, putting in your leave-in and the water in your hair is wet and you're looking to seal moisture in your hair, I would definitely use this. Everything for Keto Curls will be linked in the description box. Yeah, I will also tag her Instagram. You can go and follow her page, Keto Curls, and comment down below what do you think about the products, and tell me what you think about using this clay wash as opposed to shampoo. In the comments, let me know, because I find that shampoos really don't it cleans my hair, but it really don't bring nothing back. It don't bring curls back, none of that. It just cleans it. But this clay wash did both. It's black owned, so check it out. Let me know what you think. And love you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share this video and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the review. Bye guys.